The equation of a curve is y equals to 5 minus 8 over x. Show that the equation of the normal to the curve at the point P21 is 2y plus x equals to 4. 2y plus x equals to 4. So this is 2y equals to negative x plus 4. So y equals to negative x over 2 plus 2. Okay. Now, show that the equation of the normal to the curve. Okay, now let's find the equation of the normal to the curve. Before that, we need to differentiate first step and then find the tangent gradient, and from there we can find what is the normal gradient. So y equals to 5 minus 8x to the power of negative 1. Now differentiate that. So dy over dx equals to positive 8x to the power of negative 2, which is same as 8 over x over 8 over x square. And given that p is 2 1, so sub x equals to 2 to find the gradient, so it's 8 over 4 and the gradient is positive 2. So this is tangent gradient. So what's normal? Tangent, gradient of tangent times by gradient of normal equals to negative 1. So from here we know 2 times by m normal equals to negative 1. So m normal, the normal gradient, equals to negative 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 2, negative 1 over 2. Now the normal gradient, so m2, I'll write it as m2 or m with a right angle, equals to negative 1 over 2. So that's normal gradient, and the coordinate given is 2 1. The coordinate of p is 2 1. So show that the equation of the normal. So first of all, find the equation of the normal. So equation of normal, y equals to mx plus a. This is the general formula to find an equation. Plug your values. So y equals to positive 1 and the gradient is negative 1 over 2. That's the normal gradient. And then the x coordinate is positive 2 plus c. So 1 equals 2. So these two I can cancel. It's negative 1 plus c. So c equals to positive 2. So the normal equation is y equals to negative half x plus 2. Okay, which is here. Y equals negative half x plus 2. Y equals negative half x plus 2. So that's shown. Okay, now the normal meets the curve again at Q. Find the coordinate of Q. The normal meets the curve again at Q. Anytime when two lines are meeting, okay, you can find the meeting point by equating these two curves or by solving simultaneously, but I'm going to equate. Okay, let's see. Y equals to negative half x plus 2, and the equation of the curve is y equals to 5 minus 8 over x. 5 minus 8 over x. Since it's meeting again, so I'm going to equate both. So let's solve this. So cross multiplying both of them, that should give me 10x minus 8 times 2, which is 16, minus 16 equals to negative x squared plus 4x. Okay, equating them, the rest is just forming like an equation and then cross multiplying. So x square negative positive 4x becomes negative 4x plus 10x is positive 6x minus 16 equals to 0. So it's 16, so 16 is 16 and 6, so it should be 8 and 2. So x plus 8 and x minus 2 equals 0. X squared plus minus 2x plus 8x and the minus, yeah. So from here we know x equals to negative 8 and x equals to positive 2. So y equals to 5 minus 8 over x. Okay, we can take either the curve or the equation, okay, the normal equation, to find what is the y coordinate. Okay, we have x equals to minus 8 and x equals to positive 2. We don't have to take x equals to positive 2 because that is what your first point is, p equals to 2 1, so it has already met at this point. Okay, so the other point, where is the other point when the line cuts at the curve? The other point is when x equals to negative 8. And what is my y value? Okay, that's what we want to find. So y equals to 5 minus 8 over negative 8. So y equals to 5 plus 1, which is positive 6. So the other coordinate where the line cuts at the curve is x equals to negative 8 and y equals to positive 6. Next, find the length of PQ. We already have the coordinate of P, which is, that's Q, 2 positive 1, and Q we just found, which is negative 8 6. Now find the length of PQ. So to find the length of PQ, you can use the equation, the length formula, which is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, and then square root the summation or the sum of both. So let's do this. So negative 8 minus 2 square plus 6 minus 1 square, so that is 100, because negative 8 minus 2 is minus 10 square, that is 100, plus 6 minus 1, which is 5 square is 25, so it is square root of 125. This is same as 5 times by 25, and square root that, your answer should be 5 third 5.